So here it is after draining or pumping to waste the water from the bottom of the pool and also dropping the pole in there. I used to have a Gatorade bottle, or it was vitamin water actually, tied to the end of that pole so that I couldn't possibly do this. But because I've got the hose on there, I should be okay to fetch it without having to dive in. Now, see, I didn't go too far. It didn't take too much to suck that stuff out of there. It is a little bit above this step, and for now I'm just going to leave it this way, but I am going to surely suck out just a little bit more so I can at least paint that top step when I get to the painting. So you can see a lot of stuff is falling in the pool from that tree right there, but not too much I can do about that. And I'll wait until the wind blows it all in one end of the pool. But for now, gotta get back to work, and I'll call that a little bit of progress. It'd be nice to see the water when it settles, the filth settles to the bottom again.